Hey guys, welcome to our third video in this CBD 101. It's Claudia here
and Matt.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. So in the last video, we were talking about the benefits, how and why CBD works. And in this video, we are going to talk about the
Endocannabinoid system. And why is it that so many people are talking about improved sleep, reduced anxiety, improved sleep, and lessened inflammation or pain? Why is it possible? How is it possible? Why? What is the science behind it? And don't worry, we are not going to talk about chemical compounds here and break down your brain structure. It's not going to be that scientific.
Basics.
We can't even say those words, but we will try to make it as simple as possible and as easy to understand and follow. So what is the endocannabinoid system and why is it important to understand? I will answer the second question. It's important to understand because that's how CBD works. CBD complements the endocannabinoid system, and it doesn't really make magic in our body and we just don't take it because everyone else is talking about it. It actually has a really profound facts that are standing behind it and why. So endocannabinoid system is really important to understand. So what is it, Claudia?
So the endocannabinoid system is like a network of receptors in our bodies. So me, your pet also has the endocannabinoid system. And the endocannabinoid system, and the shortcut is ECS. About 30 years ago, Dr. Raphael Mechoulam with his colleagues discovered the endocannabinoid system. And the ECS is a network of receptors, and we have two receptors in our bodies. It's CB1 and CB2, and we have them all over our bodies. And we also have endocannabinoids. Your body, my body, his body produces endocannabinoids, and these are Anandamide and 2-AG. Now, as I mentioned, your body produces them naturally, but lack of good diet and lack of exercise
or lack of sleep
exactly affects that production, and we don't have enough. So that is when CBD comes really helpful because it supports our endocannabinoid system.
Exactly. So the right question to ask, rather than asking yourself if CBD is for you, to ask what am I currently doing to improve my sleep and how CBD complements it. What am I currently doing to reduce pain and let my body recover, start the healing process, and how CBD can complement it. Because that's all it does. It really complements your endocannabinoid system. And as Claudia has mentioned, we have receptors all over our bodies. We have them in our immune system, in our nervous system, in our muscles, in our tissues, everywhere. And the difference between CBD and painkillers, and that's a really big, profound difference, is that painkillers will work at the level of the symptom, right? Like pain. But CBD will work at the level of the system. That means that CBD allows your body to get deep into the nucleus of the organ, of the muscle, whatever it is, of the tissue, and start the healing process right there. That means that it not only helps you to feel better for a few hours, but it actually begins the healing process. And the goal here is to restore the homeostasis, which is the optimal state where you feel good, where you're able to move, when you're able to enjoy the day and smile and be happy. That's really the goal of it. So that's really much what endocannabinoid system is. So, and what you need to understand. So maybe we're gonna wrap it up. Again, we have endocannabinoid system. That's just a network of the receptors, messenger. We have
CB1 and CB2 receptors.
Exactly, and then we have endocannabinoids.
It's Anandamide and 2-AG.
Exactly. Those are very, very similar to those phytocannabinoids found in the plant, like CBD. It's one of those compounds. Very similar. So as you can see, our bodies produce very similar compound than as CBD. And that is really why, how you can understand that it actually, if it's similar to what we already produce, it's going to complement us. And it's, as we mentioned in previous videos in the series, it is not building habits. So it is not making you addicted to CBD. Moreover, we also have mentioned that World Health Organization has released a report about CBD, and they couldn't find major side effects. So it's very, very safe to take. And in the next videos, we are going to talk about CBD oil, the dosage of it, and how often should you take it. And then we are going to also tell you how you feel after taking CBD oil for those who are trying it for the first time. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel,
and see you in the next video.